If you're experiencing controller drift in Baldur's Gate 3, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the settings menu in Baldur's Gate 3 and look for controller options. Ensure that the controller is properly recognized and that all settings are configured correctly. Step 2. Calibrate your controller. Use the calibration feature available in your console or PC settings. This process helps to reset the controller's input and can eliminate drift by recalibrating the analog sticks. Step 3. Clean the controller. Dust and debris can contribute to controller drift. Use a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol to gently clean around the analog sticks and buttons. Make sure to let it dry completely before using it again. Step 4. Update controller firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your controller. Manufacturers often release updates that can fix bugs or improve performance, including issues related to drift. Step 5. Test with another game. To determine if the issue is specific to Baldur's Gate 3 or your controller, try using the controller with another game. If the drift persists across multiple games, the issue may be with the controller itself. By following these steps, you should be able to address the controller drift issue and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. If problems continue, consider reaching out to customer support for your controller or exploring replacement options.